How to calculate a mod b in Python. Is there a modulo function in the Python math library? Isn't 15% 4, 3? But 15 mod 4 is 1, right?
There's the percent sign. It's not just for the remainder, it is the modulo operation.
You can also try div mod x, y, which returns a tuple x/y, x% y.
The modulo gives the remainder after integer division.
Mod equals a %b. This stores the result of a mod b in the variable mod. And you are right, 15 mod 4 is 3, which is exactly what Python returns. A % equals b is also valid.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.